Alright, so in this world, we know that there are many types of mushroom, but I'm sure that not all of us know which one can be eaten, which one cannot be eaten, and which one is good for our health, isn't it? But of course, here is the top powerful mushroom that have been studied and researched to have better benefits for human immunity. We are going to focus on this one mushroom, which is Ganoderma lucidum, which also known as LingZhi or reishi. So commonly this Ganoderma lucidum or LingZhi, they recognize this as the king of plants, the miraculous king of herb, the immortality mushroom, and the most important, they said that this mushroom LingZhi is good for longevity. Okay, so Ganoderma lucidum is the scientific name of this mushroom. In Chinese, they call it as LingZhi. In Japanese, they call it as reishi. So LingZhi is one of the edible and medicinal mushroom which promote health and longevity. This mushroom is large and it has a dark color with a glossy exterior and a woody structure. So basically, this mushroom we cannot consume it like the normal mushroom, like oyster, black fungus mushroom. It is because of the woody structure, so it was very hard to be consumed just like that. So this LingZhi had been treasured in China, Japan, and other Asian countries for over 2,000 years ago by the ancient empires to prevent and to treat the numerous diseases including cancer. So LingZhi fungus was recorded during Han's dynasty, which is 206 before century. So there are two different ancient medical texts by China ancient and also Western medical. So both of these medical texts we can see because there we can have a research, we can read on it, we can search it on Google, in which they're telling us all about the benefit of LingZhi. What is LingZhi actually? Okay, so based on the scientific research, they found that LingZhi contains more than 400 types of bioactive components like beta-glucans, polysaccharides, triterpenoids, ganoderic acid, cerols, fatty acid, and many more. So each of these bioactive is believed to cure many types of disease. We can say that all of these bioactive of LingZhi, it can treat all of disease, including the chronic disease, including the respiratory condition, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and many more. Nowadays, it doesn't matter the younger generation, the older generation, all of these age range all can be affected with all this kind of disease. It is because nowadays people, including me, we tend to eat whatever we want, whatever that is delicious, we just eat without stressing out what is the benefit of this food, what is the nutritional facts that contain in that food. That is why we cannot say that younger people, they will not get this disease, because this disease is usually affected the older people.